To set up Absa Bank chat support, start by visiting the Absa Bank website and clicking on the Contact Us section. Look for the chat support option, which is usually available on the right-hand side of the screen or at the bottom of the page. Once you have located the chat support option, click on it to initiate a conversation with a bank representative. You will be asked to provide your name and a brief description of the issue you are experiencing or the question you have. If you are an Absa Bank customer, you can also access the chat support feature through the Absa Bank mobile app. Simply log into the app, navigate to the Help or Support section, and select the chat option. Before initiating a chat, ensure you have your account details and identification documents ready, as you may be asked to verify your identity for security purposes. When chatting with a bank representative, be clear and concise about your query or issue, and provide any relevant information or details that may be requested. Best practices for using Absa Bank chat support include being patient and waiting for a response from the representative, as they may be attending to other customers. Additionally, avoid sharing sensitive information such as your account password or PIN, as the chat support feature is designed to provide general assistance and not to handle sensitive or confidential information. By following these steps and tips, you can easily set up and use Absa Bank chat support to get assistance with your banking queries or issues. The chat support feature is available 24/7, making it a convenient option for customers who need help outside of regular banking hours.